Ghosts can use honey-grade slime today. Uses, mark your territory. Ram annoying humans. Release spooky stress.
Mr. Trump, final remarks.
I have the best judgment and the best temperament. She's the one with the bad temperament. She's always screaming. She's constantly lying. Her hair is crazy. Her face is completely orange, except around the eyes where it's white. I'm going to set my alarm for 3:20 a.m. and go sit on my golden toilet bowl and tweet about it until completion. Hey, Jazzman, I've got a very presidential answer for this. Our jobs are fleeing this country. They're going to Mexico. They're going to China. Now, let's stop that. If Hillary knew how, she would have done it already, period. End of story. I won the debate. I stayed calm, just like I promised, and it is over. Good night, Hofstra.
Mr. Trump, what do you think about ghosts? Ghosts? Don't even get me started on ghosts. Let me tell you about ghosts. Ghosts are some of the most idiotic supernatural beings. Hashtag make America great again. Yeah, right.
We should be talking about the important issues like Rosie O'Donnell.
Slime. Get your slime!
Share with your boo, buddy. Use it for your ectoplasm entertainment.
Slime. Get your slime!
Cool to the gooey touch. Nice, green, and farty. Oozy and gooey. Glowing in the dark, wet but dry. Get it today.
It's a 90-minute debate.
My microphone is broken.
Call 504-GHOSTLY. 504-GHOSTLY. That is GHOST. Call now or you will be the next to get haunted. Haunted.